welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore all the cool features of our Roof Wizard software. Today I want to look at one of our functions buried a little deep under the Estimate menu. We go to Estimate, Allowances, where we can set what we refer to as our offsets. Now these offsets account for the variation in geometry of the roof sheet versus the geometry of the roof. The geometry of the roof sheet is not the same as the geometry of the roof because we have overhang into the gutter. We have clearance at the hip and ridge and some clearance at the valley. So if I was to hit OK on that and then show these offsets and then generate my cutting list, you will see that it actually shows the roof sheets and the allowances for offset that we've accounted for. So our sheets are 12'8" on the drawing and 12'8" in our cut list. But what about if we actually wanted a hem on the gutter, at the gutter, so where we turn up the bottom of the sheet? So in that case, I've changed the value. We delete the roof sheets, we'll delete our offsets, and we'll reapply our offsets. Okay, see now we've got a bigger overhang into the gutter. We generate a new cutting list, and now our sheets are all 2 inches longer. Now for some of our customers, that's an extra couple of steps they don't really need. And so what they do, if we go into the allowances again, is we actually show apply the offset values without actually showing them on the drawing. That's an option that you have. It's entirely up to you. I think my preference would be to show people that I'm actually paying attention, so I would typically want to show the offsets. The other thing to bear in mind is that the allowance files can be different for different profiles, so the allowance for a 5V crimp or an ag panel might be a whole lot different to a standing seam. So I'm just running with my defaults at the moment, but if this was a setup that I wanted to use for a particular profile, I'd save as, define the profile name and hit OK, and now I've got a set of allowances that are specific to that profile. Okay, so that's allowances and offsets and generating the most accurate cut list that you can possibly do for your customers. Remember that the geometry of the roof sheet is not the same as the geometry of the roof, and very rarely is. So take advantage of that and do a better job for your customers. Hopefully that helps. That's all for Feature Friday for today, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye for now.